Imagine a place where light cannot reach. A place so dark that your eyes will never adjust, no matter how long you wait. This is the darkest place on Earth. When we think of darkness, we imagine nightfall or a power outage. But true darkness is far deeper. It is the complete absence of light, a void where human senses begin to break down. Deep underground, in caves sealed off from sunlight for millions of years, lies some of the purest darkness on the planet. Here, no sunlight, no moonlight, not even a spark can survive. In total darkness, the human brain begins to play tricks. People report hallucinations, loss of balance, and even hearing sounds that don't exist. The longer you stay, the more your mind invents its own reality. The ocean hides another kind of darkness. At 1,000 meters below the surface, sunlight disappears completely. Beyond this point, known as the midnight zone, life survived in absolute blackness. Scientists have even built dark rooms so perfect, no stray photon can enter. In these laboratories, experiments in optics and astronomy push the limits of what darkness really is. Darkness has always been tied to fear. Without sight, we are vulnerable. Our ancestors relied on fire to survive the night, and even today, darkness makes us uneasy. A reminder of how fragile we are. The darkest places on Earth are more than physical spaces. They are mirrors of our own fears, testing the limits of human perception and endurance. Would you dare to enter? And how long could you last?